The unique six-sided buildings now shuttered. Longtime customers remember what Shari's used to be.
And it was a great place to stop and get a good warm meal and some pie.
In Portland, former Shari's manager Deb Molina previously told KGW she tried to keep her restaurant running as long as possible, even going to the grocery store to buy eggs when they ran out.
The managers and some of the employees of Shari's are so dedicated, were so dedicated to this brand, that they did everything and anything they could to keep their customers happy and the doors open every day.
Shari's closed all of its Oregon locations in October, under pressure for a mounting debt of unpaid bills, back taxes, and other financial problems.
And it was just dragged out to the very end.
Court documents filed in recent months show just how bad it got for Shari's across the state. Roughly 15 different landlord companies have now sued Shari's for failing to pay rent on its properties. The landlords stretch from McMinnville to Corvallis, Kaiser to Beaverton, Oregon City to Bend. Of the lawsuits KGW uncovered, landlord companies claim Shari's owes close to $4 million in overdue rent, late fees, and future rent payments. A Multnomah County judge found Shari's in default for $45,000 of past due rent at a Troutdale location. The judge said Shari's also owes more than $2 million in future rent payments through 2036, per the company's lease agreement. A letter from the landlord of a Grants Pass Shari's said the restaurant chain stopped making payments in June, racking up 3 months of unpaid rent after that. And the owner of a Springfield Shari's location attached a photo of the restaurant's closing notice, saying the landlord is terminating the lease and re-entering the building, but Shari's is still responsible for its payments. The financial fallout for a Northwest institution.
That's the end of Shari's.
I couldn't reach anyone with Shari's for comment today, and the company may not be able to defend itself in court. Law firm Miller Nash also filed a lawsuit against Shari's in October, saying Shari's didn't pay them for $390,000 of work. A judge ruled in the firm's favor by default after Shari's didn't respond. David?
Just one more thing to add to that very big and growing bill. Thanks, Evan. Appreciate the follow-up there.